Hi guys, this is Sergeant Giratina's Rising Renegades here. Today we are going to do a double unboxing video featuring both Star Wars Power of the Jedi battle droid, which is electrified in battle out in the field during the Trade Federation's war with the Gungans. And right here we will also do an unboxing for Star Wars Episode 1 Destroyer Droid. Yeah. Which also has a comm tech. And who knows, I might get one of those to demonstrate if I can. But for now, I figured we turn our focus. Surely, it's quite impressive that I managed to get two of these off of Amazon, and they came in a day later from the other. Heck. For now, I figured we'd do a double unboxing so that we're not trying to waste so much time here. These are both figures from the first movie. And first off, I'd like to start off with this one, because kind of like the Padme Amidala figure I got from the Dreamland comic store, the plastic that it's inside is starting to look moldy, and it needs to come out. But first, we must read what it says. The fate of the Star Wars universe is in your hands. From The Phantom Menace to A New Hope, Empire Strikes Back, and Return of the Jedi, the Star Wars galaxy is filled with the greatest heroes, cruelest villains, and the most colorful characters ever created. And only Hasbro brings them all to life with detail, authenticity, and fun. To see the full-time figures, vehicles, creatures, and playsets, check out www.starwarshasbro.com. And it's got all these figures. Yeah, look at them. Quite amazing. Makes you want to collect them all, but you know I can't. Also, there's a card inside that we are to read before we even get to... Well, let's get this out. Wow. Check it out. An electrified battle droid. Yeah, hit with that ball, with those balls you see from the movie by the Gungans. Yeah, you wrap it all around. Yeah. Kind of looks like a... But now let's get this... Wow, man, look at this mold on the plastic. Wow. God. Wow. God. And to think that some toys should be kept mint in the box, but you know that they don't always stay fresh forever. Now, let's read this card, and it's time to read this pamphlet. And as stressful as it is, and exhausting it is for my voice, I do need to read this so I can give you guys a good presentation with this video, even if it's doing it solo. Sorry, guys. I just need to. I was doing dishes for a moment there, but let's get back to this. Battle droid, boomer damage. And here we go, the statistics. Strength is at 12. Speed is at 10. Endurance at 11. Intelligence is at 8. Skills. Fearless. A lack of independent thought processors make battle droids immune to fear. Battle droids can pilot any Trade Federation vehicle. The battle droid's lack of independent thoughts processors makes it immune to fear, cowardice, or pleas for mercy. Their thoughts are governed entirely by the central control computer. Though designed to be homogeneous, they are pre-programmed with specific specialized inflammatory and commander officer droids come equipped with powerful blasters and powerful backpacks. Here are the weapons, their gear. Droid rack. Battle droids can be loaded onto the droid rack extension arms of Trade Federation MTTs for transportation or mass invasions. Each MTT's main department rack carries roughly 112 battle droids. Wow. Blaster rifle. Battle droids blasters are standard equipment for all battle droids, while the weapon is extremely deadly. Battle droids have poor firing accuracy. Yeah. Battle pack. The battle droid power pack up to me. Oh, God, I'm strained. Optimizes the operational range of infantry and droid officers, as well as extending their recharge in whatever. Tech. Trade Federation droid control ship. Originally designed as computer freighters, the neomodic have secretly modified their enormous vessels into war-ready battleships. These war freighters house the central control computer, which controls the Trade Federation droid army. Trade Federation landing ship. The specifically bulk C-9979 landing ships are used to transport MTTs, AATs, STAPs, and legions of the droid army. Once landed, they can rapidly deploy their deadly contents and surround entire cities. Allies and enemies. Darth Sidious, Newt Gunray, Sentry droids, and Destroyer droids. Enemies, Jedi Knights, Boss Nassa, Gungan warriors, and Queen Amidala. Adventures. Security breach. 2 ambassadors sent by Chancellor Yoranru have boarded the droid control ship to settle the Naboo trade embargoes. After learning that the guests are actually Jedi Knights, you are ordered to eliminate them. Can you complete your mission and prevent their escape? Swamp invasion. Advanced scouting droids have located a secret underwater city located deep within the Naboo swamps. Invade the city and capture its inhabitants in order to seize control of the planet. Alright, and here, last of all, Battle Droid. The wealthy Trade Federation secretly embattled a massive army of these feeling skeleton-like battle droids. When the time was right, they were deployed against the peaceful inhabitants of Naboo as part of a Trade Federation power ploy. Many battle droids received severe damage during the clash with the Gungan army in the epic Naboo land battle. Species droid, height 1.91 meters, manufacturer battle droid automata. Wow, that was a lot. Wow, that was a lot. Excuse me, guys. Hang on for a second. Folks. Okay, now we can unbox the Destroyer Droid. They are elite units of the Trade Federation Army. These armored wheel droids unfold into 2-meter tall walking weapon platforms capable of immense destruction. Yeah, really is. Yeah, of course, it doesn't talk, it just makes sound. Blaster noise. Yeah. And they are elite when it comes to their having shield generators of their own. Yeah. Now, let's open it. Look at this. Well, I gotta be careful too. I gotta be careful. I used to own this kind of figure before and it kind of broke. So I need to be careful. Yeah, quite scary, huh? It's quite scary, huh? Yeah, right there are the eyes and the sensors, which is quite creepy. And here, you know, are the blasters, which are platform. Yeah. Yeah, it's quite fun collecting stuff and unboxing them at the same time. Helps give your viewers plenty to understand about the videos. Now, someday I'll be sure to get back to collecting even more of these figures and hopefully get my ATTE walker fully restored when the time comes. But for now, I got other things to save up for, guys. I'm Sergeant Garatina's Rising Renegades, and if you've liked this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and to check out, and then tune in for the future to check out more content, or even be sure to check out more content I've got on my channel. Especially because yesterday I unboxed and did an action figure review of the Star Wars Episode 1 Deluxe Qui-Gon action figure and stuff. Be sure to check that out as well in case you haven't. Till then, keep fighting, my fellow duelists and renegades. Giratina's rising renegades are taking off now. See you soon, and stay safe, my friends.